Welcome back to MATLAB. Today we are going to prove that A plus B plus C equals with A multiplied with B multiplied with C. How we are going to prove that? By finding A and B and C values. It is obvious that if A equals 0 or B equals 0 or C equals 0 results that A plus B plus C equals 0, and also A multiplied with B multiplied with C equals 0. So in both cases the relationships are true. If A, B, C are non-zero numbers with A less or equals than B less or equals than C, results that A plus B plus C equals with ABC. So in this case, ABC less or equals than 3C, yes? Now, if we divide it by C, we have AB less or equals than 3. So in here, from this one results that A multiplied with B is a number from the sets of number 1, 2, or 3, which is a non-zero number, yes? Let's take another case now. If A multiplied with B equals 1, results that A equals B equals 1, so C, it's a number that it's a natural number. So if A multiplied with B equals 2 this time, we have A equals 1, B equals 2, yes, or A equals 2, B equals 1, and in this case C equals 3. Another case, if A multiplied with B equals 3, results that A equals 1, B equals 3, or A equals 3 and B equals 1. In this case, results that C equals 2. If we replace the value of A and B. Now, so it results that we have the following pairs of numbers as a solution for numbers A, B, C. So we have A, B, C, 0, 0, 0, the first pair of number, A equals 0, B equals 0, and C equals 0. Another set of number 1, 2, 3. Another set of number 1, 3, 2. Another set is 2, 1, 3. Another set is 2, 3, 1. Also, we have 3, 1, 2, and 3, 2, 1. So we have all pairs of numbers. If we want to do a checkup with the 3, 1, 2, we are going to replace in here. 3 plus 1 plus 2 equals with 3 multiplied with 1 multiplied with 2. Results that 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6 equals with 3 multiplied with 1, 3, 3 multiplied with 2, 6, which is a true relationship. Okay, that's it for today. Let me know in the comments what type of exercises you want me to explain. I hope you understood this one. If you understood it, hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.